Hello guys, welcome to Ask Me Anything YouTube channel. Friends, in this video, I want to show about what are the documents that are necessary for the TCS company to join in it. I wonder, so many students are bothering about what are the documents that they need to upload to the TCS while they are joining, after they are receiving joining letter. Today onwards, the joining letters for 2020 batch itself is getting very late, and some of the students got their joining, some other students are still waiting, and some other students who got selected in NQT 2020 that are from 2021 batch and from previous batch also. Here I am showing the documents that are necessary to upload for the TCS joining. Okay, first of all, these are the some of the list of documents that I will show. Again, a prescribed format of the previous joined student documents also. So here are the list of the documents that we are need to upload. First, first one is all certificates. All certificates that you have till your graduation or your post graduation if you are joining with post graduation. And NSR e-card is very compulsory. And medical certificate. The medical certificate I will show a sample of it also. A non-criminal affidavit, service agreement, course completion or PC. When you pass out from your institution, they will give either your university or your autonomous body will give you a provisional certificate which you can show them to the companies that you want to join or you want to settle in it before the original degree. After 3 or 4 months from your completion of graduation, you will get original degree. Till now, the provisional certificate will be resembles the original degree. And course completion means the letter that you have to taken from your institution saying that I completed all exams with Viva Voice also. You can upload it to the TCS. That means they understand that your certificates are still not released from university, so that you are issuing issued a course completion from your institution. And next one is offer letter. Okay, these are the documents that you need to upload to the TCS. All certificates in this one I want to share some points that you keep in mind while uploading to the TCS. When you got joining letter from the TCS, it will directly come to your email ID, your personal email ID. After that, you want to go to the next step portal, that is through web browser. Okay, after going into that, check that status of your application saying that ILP you are eligible. ILP means initial learning program. It says that you are eligible for ILP program. After that, from the left side of the menu, you can select some options, onboarding, so that you can select the sample documents. You can view the sample documents from there also. In that, there is a one option called background check. So this is very important part in the TCS joining. The background check part, you have to fill it before your joining letter came, so that you have no worries about your background check verification. When you upload some of the documents that you need to give to the TCS, they will check your documents by issuing them to the team. Some teams that they have appointed to check it. So these are called BGC team. So they will check your documents, and they will check that their prescribed format matches with your uploaded documents. If it matches, then they will approve. Otherwise, they will reject and let you know about re-uploading the documents. So before you getting the JL, please upload. Please complete the background check verification. I am telling this to the upcoming batch students, that is 2021 pass outs, so that they have no worries while uploading them. Okay, next, in all certificates, you in BGC documents page, you need to upload some of the documents that now I am sharing with you. First one is your 10th class mark list, your PAN card, your Aadhaar card. Okay, originals are to be submitted. Okay, original soft copies. Okay, your Aadhaar card, your PAN card, and 10th class mark list or 10th class memo. Okay, next one is NSR e-card. Here I specified NSR e-card and medical certificate non-criminal affidavit. These have to be uploaded to the in the BGC portal, and course completion also. With the course completion, your up to certificates up to BTech is also submitted on that portal. But remember one thing: all certificate means you need not to upload every document that you don't have also. That means if you completed 4.2 recently and you have got joining, and and you can upload the documents what you have. Okay, in some of them having certificates in college, don't bother about it. Submit the documents what you have or what up to you have. Okay, so these are documents are submitted in all certificates column. After that, course completion PC, I have to talk about something about course completion. While you have no PC with you or no original degree with you, you can go for course completion. Okay, when you have to upload course completion means you when there is no PC or no OD with you. OD means original degree. The course completion letter you have to take from your college, institution or autonomous body, whatever it have. Then the some or the points are there which you have to include, which you should include in that letter, so that it will accept only by the TCS when these points are included. Otherwise, they will reject it. Okay, what are the points? These points now I am sharing with you. First of all, write your name. After there is a prescribed format for every college so that they can give to the students, but these points now I am sharing with you, these should be included with your college prescribed format also, because if without this, joinings will be rescheduled when you are when you have got joining letter and they ask to submit you this course completion or PC. If you should not uploaded within the prescribed format, then your joining will be rescheduled and it will get delay 3 or 4 months also for getting new joining. Okay, so now the points that you have to include in it are: first one is your CGPA is a must, and you have and the letter will say you have completed all exams up to Viva Voice also up to 4.1 or 4.2, up to 4.1. If your 4.2 exams are not conducted, so you can write up to 4.1. If your exams of 4.2 are completed, or for degree students 3.2 are completed, then you can say that you can write in that letter as all your exams are get completed, including Viva Voice also, and waiting for provisional certificate with the CGPA in so and so branch and from so and so college with so and so roll number. These are prescribed format of college, and after that you have to include your CGPA and you have completed all exams up to some semesters with including Viva Voice. Okay, these points should be included while writing PC. While applying for course completion letter, you have to ask your college staff to write like this only, then it will approve. Okay, otherwise it will reject it. And next one is offer letter. Offer letter is the offer letter, service agreement, and service agreement and these are to be uploaded in portal called Ion portal. They will give the access to you, and TCS when once the webinar will started, after you got the joining, they will say where you have to upload these documents. This is a portal called Ion portal, you have to upload in it. In coming to the offer letter, there are 18 pages offer letter that they will give you when you selected in TCS. So in every page of offer letter, in 18 pages of offer letter, you have to be signed in right corner, in down right corner. Okay, in down right corner you have to put your signature in all 18 pages, then only they will accept, otherwise they will reject your documents. Okay, next one is service agreement. Service agreement means the bond for 1 year for the TCS to you should work in that organization for 1 year, otherwise you have to pay 40,000 or 50,000 something they will specify in that service agreement. These are all the matter that they will give in the sample document and they will explain in a webinar, but I am explaining you what some points they will not specify you when they should reject or when they should accept. So I am telling you for your information. Okay, in that service agreement you should put the signature in the specified places that represents a candidate signature. And remember one thing, while filling your service agreement, you have to put a signature in your column at the end, as well as your surety also. There should be a surety who will be an income tax payee. Okay, remember this thing. This is compulsory. One income tax payee of your relatives, or even your father, your brother, your sister, anyone who is income tax payee will be your surety. That surety signature is also there, and you have to attest the surety this matter in 100 rupees stamp paper, and along with this you have to attest their income tax form, ITR returns, or IT returns, or you have to file form 16, also form 16. Both you can select anyone from the both. You can attest IT returns, or you can attach the form 16. Okay, and with this, the surety PAN card is also compulsory. Surety PAN card Xerox is also compulsory. In this every page, the surety have to be put their signature in the matter that the TCS will give. Paste it on 100 rupees stamp. First page on 100 rupees stamp paper. Remaining pages you can take Xerox also. Staple it and fill this page completely. After that, your surety's income tax returns and surety's proof is to be attached with this document, and you have to upload it to the TCS in ION portal. The proofs from the surety, what should you upload? I am sharing this now. The income tax returns of the surety, PAN card or passport. Any of these documents compulsory, but you have to upload IT returns or form 16. Any one of them is compulsory, and PAN card or passport, any one of them compulsory. The 100 rupees stamp paper thing, and with this the sureties, IT returns or form 16, anyone is okay, and PAN card and passport. Okay, these three things has to be put as one document, and you have to upload it in ION portal. Okay, in this surety thing, in this surety, IT returns or PAN card Xerox, these all proofs. Under these all proofs, your surety has to be put his signature, his or her signature at the bottom, so that they can validate that the PAN card signature and the signature that your surety put on the service agreement, and as well as on the proofs. So please keep same the signature that your surety is putting in the PAN card, as well as your and his proofs are same. Okay, and these are the proofs that you have to upload for the BGC verification and ION verification. After that, your documents section is closed. Let me show you some sample documents, and this is the medical certificate. Everyone are thinking about medical certificate means you have to go to a doctor and they will give a letter on their letterhead. Nothing will there, but they will share the TCS. Even TCS will share you a document that you have to download, and you have to fill it with a pen, and after that you will go to the doctor. And one thing you should remember, that the doctor's signature should be here along with the stamp. Without stamp, they will reject your document. And after that, you have compulsory, the doctor should put a signature and stamp on your photograph that you stapled here. Remember these two things. The signature and stamp should be on your photograph, as well as at the signature column shown below. Okay, these are the two documents that you have to upload. This document is medical certificate you have to upload. You have to download it from the Next Step portal, or your HR will send you a mail regarding this information. After that, this is service agreement. Okay, this is service agreement. As I said, first page should be on 100 rupees stamp paper, or you can, if in your state the 100 rupees stamp paper is not available, you can upload it with 250 rupees stamp papers. That the first page should be on the first stamp paper, and first page should be on another 50 rupees stamp paper also. That means 250 rupees resembles 100 rupees stamp paper in the uh, thought of TCS. Okay. So same matter of the first page should be printed on 250 rupees stamp paper, and remaining thing is common that I am telling now. From the second page onwards, you have to put you have to keep it xerox, or you can print it in A4 sheet also. And after filling this you have to put notary. Okay, after this you have to take the notary of it. Okay, the notary of it. After filling this, see here the signature of surety is here it is showing signature of surety. Okay, you have to put your signature, and you have to see your surety, even your surety be your father, mother, or anyone, your close relations or blood relation, anyone. Okay, after that you have to put your after that these documents are to be notarized by a notary person. Okay, notary person service agreement is to be notary. Okay, notary. After notary, you have to submit these proofs, and this is income tax returns, IT returns are there, and along with IT returns, you have to submit a PAN card or any proof, so that the every on every page the surety has to be signed here. Okay, so this is about surety agreement, and after that, this is non-criminal affidavit. Non-criminal affidavit means there are no pending cases or no cases on you. So that it is also the matter is also specified by TCS. What should you have to type here? So in this take a 100 rupees stamp paper and print the first page on the 100 rupees stamp paper, and remaining you have to take xerox and also take a notary of it. And here remember that these are some surety witnesses that don't have any cases on you. Okay, the witness should be anyone, so your friend or not your blood relation. Okay, remember this thing, not your blood relation. uh, Put a signature as your neighbor housing or your friends, etc. Okay, after that notary your document is completed, and this is surety agreement. And there are another important one is onboarding forms. The onboarding forms are very important for you. The onboarding forms will specify your PF money and PF and your health insurance schemes, etc. So please keep a eye on it. This is form F. This is form F means this is for the gratuity gratuity form, and you have to fill it. You have to fill it. These are the specified. Here you have to fill your name, and your father is dependent on you or not. Your mother is dependent or you or not. My suggestion is, if your father or mother are having any government job, among them, if your father a government job, keep no. Okay, keep no here. Okay, father, if your father have government job, then your father is not dependent on you. You have to put it. You can specify your mother is dependent on you if your mother is housewife, or the reverse condition is also you can follow. Okay, and after that you have to fill these nominee name and relation. After that you have to put a signature of your surety here also, because representing that your mother or your father or who you are placing your nominee is of your blood relation and nominee of you. Okay, and these are three forms: form 2, form F, and form 6. And these are the documents that you have to fill and upload in the next step part. And this is also in ion community, so you have these documents that you have to upload. These are the sample documents. Let me know in the comment box that I can share these document links on the description box. Okay, these are the necessary documents that you have to upload. Coming about NSRE card. The NSRE card you have to upload. You have to apply on your nearest NSR center. Otherwise, you can now apply it in online. So I can make a video in the next section. Okay, next session. So I think you understand all these things. What documents you have to upload in TCS when you get a joining, and remaining companies also. I will upload some further videos resembling Wipro and CTS and etc. These companies also some document verification is there. So what are the necessary documents that these companies prefer? I will share in another video. Okay, I hope you like this video and share to your friends, and like this video and share your comments. Thank you.